Hello, my name is Tim Manzke, and I'm going to show some examples of evaluating exponents. First, I want to talk about the basic rule for exponents. When you have a variable, or you have a base and an exponent, what you're doing is you're taking that base and you're multiplying it by itself x times. So just to kind of illustrate a couple of examples. First one, you have 2 raised to the 4th power. Now what that means here is that you're taking the number 2 and you're multiplying it by itself 4 times. So what it means is that you're taking 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is going to equal 16 as your answer. In the next example, I have -3 raised to the 4th power. Now what that means is that you're taking -3 and you're multiplying it by the base -3 4 times. So -3 times -3 times -3 times -3, which would give you +81. The third example is where I have -3 raised to the 4th power, but the base is the 3. So in other words, this can be written as negative, and then you're going to take 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, which in this case will give you a -81. Now if I look at each of these examples, here I have a positive expression here. The base is positive. We don't have any negatives in front of the expression, so it's just taking the 2, multiplying it by itself 4 times. The second example, you have a base that is negative. The parentheses is important because it emphasizes that the base is going to be -3, meaning that you're taking -3 and multiplying it by itself 4 times, which gives you a +81. The third example is where the base is positive, but there's a negative sign in front of the expression. So what that means is you're taking the base 3, multiplying it by itself 4 times, which gives you the 81, but then the negative in front of the expression carries over. These are some examples of evaluating exponents. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please contact me. Otherwise, thank you for watching and have a nice day.